In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an entire answer from the Perplexity app on iPhone and paste it anywhere. If you've ever wanted to save a helpful response from Perplexity to your notes, send it in a message, or keep it for later, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it clearly and reliably. Start by opening the Perplexity app on your iPhone. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of the screen and tap the profile icon. This takes you to your personal area, where you can see your recent activity and the answers you've viewed or created. From here, find the specific answer you want to copy and tap it to open the full view. Opening the answer ensures you're working with the complete text, not just a preview. With the answer open, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of that page. Perplexity keeps several tools and actions at the end of the answer, so make sure you've reached the last line of text. If it's a long response, keep swiping until you can't scroll any further. At the bottom, you'll notice a small row of icons. The one you're looking for shows two overlapping squares, like two pieces of paper stacked together. That's the copy button. Go ahead and tap it. When you do, the entire answer is copied to your clipboard. On iPhone, the clipboard is a temporary space that holds whatever you've copied so you can paste it elsewhere. You may see a brief confirmation, but even if you don't, the text is now ready to paste. Next, switch to the app where you want the text to go, such as Notes, Messages, Mail, or your favorite document editor. Open a new note or message, tap in the text area, and press and hold until the paste option appears. Tap Paste, and the full Perplexity answer will appear. If you need to tidy up spacing or formatting, you can edit it like any other text. If you don't see the copy icon, double check that you're truly at the bottom of the answer and that the content has fully loaded. And if pasty doesn't appear right away, try long pressing again in the typing area or tapping once to bring the cursor into focus. That's all there is to it. You've copied a complete Perplexity answer and moved it wherever you need it. Keep this method in mind whenever you want to save, share, or organize helpful information quickly on your iPhone.